The product pick of the week this week, it is the ADS122C04 24-bit ADC. Right here we have the ADS122C04. I have it plugged into a feather board over I2C just to power and data between the sensor and the feather board. This is a feather with a TFT on it, so we get a nice little display there. And then you can see I'm running my 3 volts and my ground from the feather as the plus and minus reference for the load cell that I've got here. I have the load cell's red and black wires plugged into those reference voltages, and then I have the green wire and the white wire acting as the differential pair for strain gauge sensing on this. So 5 quarters, I found out, is about an ounce. So if I put that on there, I'm reading 28.7 grams or 1.01 ounces. It is the ADS122C04 24-bit ADC.